Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, we are going to learn the three different operations on matrices. The first operation that we are going to learn is addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. The first thing that we are going to see is that two matrices can be added if and only if they have the same order. So two matrices can be added only if they have the same order. Okay. And the second thing is, what we do while adding the number, the matrices, we add the elements at the matching position. Okay, so we add only those elements which are at the matching position, which means which are at the same position. For example, suppose you have the matrix 2, 3, -1 and 0. Okay, and we want to add it to the matrix 2, 1, 3, 5. Okay, we want to add these two matrices. अभी क्या है, एडिशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस में हमने फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या याद रखना है कि टू मैट्रिसेस कैन बी एडेड इफ़ एंड ओनली इफ़ दे हैव द सेम ऑर्डर. ओके, दिस इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. दोनों मैट्रिसेस का ऑर्डर सेम होना ज़रूरी है, तभी वो ऐड हो सकते हैं, अदरवाइज वी कैन नॉट ऐड दैम. द सेकेंड इज़ हाउ वी ऐड द मैट्रिसेस. वी जस्ट ऐड द एलिमेंट एट द सेम पोजिशन. Okay, at the matching position means we have to add in order to add A to B. Suppose we want to find A plus B. In order to find A plus B, what you do is, first you write the first matrix, then you add it to this is matrix A and this is matrix B. What you do is you have to add these matrices. In order to add them, what we need to do is we will pick the first element of both the matrices 2, and here the first element is also 2. We are going to add these two. Then we are going to take the second element of both the matrices and add them 3 plus 1. Third element -1 plus 3, 0 plus 5. So the answer will be 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 1, 4, -1 plus 3, different signs हैं, both these numbers have different signs, therefore we are going to do the subtraction. 3 minus 1 will be 2, and जो greater number है, the greater number carries the positive sign, therefore the answer will also carry a positive sign. Whether you write it or not, it is understood that it is a positive number. 0 plus 5 will be 5. So this is how we add two matrices. We just pick the first element of the first and add it to the second element of the second. Then we pick the second element of both the matrices and we add them. Then we pick the third elements of both the matrices and add them. Then we pick the fourth elements of both the matrices and add them. Okay, these are the elements in the matching position. First position, second position, third, fourth and fourth. Okay, so we add all the numbers which are in the matching position and then write the answer. The first two elements which were added, the result was written in the first position. The second elements, the result of the second elements which were added, the result will be written in the second position. So this is how we add two matrices. Now we are going to learn how we subtract two matrices. Subtraction of two matrices. How we do the subtraction of two matrices? Subtraction of matrices. The method is the same as addition. In addition, we add to the elements in the matching position. Here we subtract the elements in the matching position. For example, if we have the condition, the first condition is the same, that two matrices can be added. Two matrices can be subtracted if they have the same order. Okay? Having the same order is the compulsion. The second, you just subtract the elements of the second matrix from the first matrix. Okay, and here we also take the matching elements. Okay, the elements at the same position. For example, suppose you have a matrix A, 3, 7 and -1. Suppose here we have 0, and a matrix B, 2, 7, 1, 5. Now suppose you want to subtract B from A. Okay, in order to subtract B from A, first we write the matrix A, 3, 7, -1 and 0. Okay, A is written first in the first position over here, therefore A will be written first, and then we are going to write the matrix B. Okay, A minus B in the same order as the expression 2, 7, 1, 5. In order to subtract them, what we do is we are going to subtract the elements of the second matrix from the first. Okay, the matching elements. Matching elements mean the first element of this matrix will be subtracted from the first element of matrix A. The second elements of matrix B will be subtracted from the second element of matrix A. The third element of matrix B will be subtracted from the third, and the fourth will be subtracted from the fourth element. Okay, so we are going to subtract 2 from 3. 3 minus 2. 7 minus 7. Okay. Third, from the third, -1. Subtract 1 from it. Then 5 will be subtracted from 0. 0 minus 5. So what we get? 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus 7, 0. And -1 minus 1 is -2. 0 minus 5 will be -5. So this is the matrix.
Yes.
A minus B equals to 1, -2, 0 and -5. This is the subtraction of B from A. Okay, A minus B equals to 1, 0, -2 and -5. The next operation that we are going to study is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication is, this is the multiplication of a matrix with a number, or we can say with a constant or any real number. Okay, this is also called scalar. Okay, the number which is multiplied. Its method is, suppose you have the scalar 2 and you want to multiply it with the matrix method is, what you are going to do, you are just going to multiply this number with each and every element of the matrix. Okay, this is the way how we do scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication में क्या होता है, कोई भी नंबर आपके पास होगा, एक मैट्रिक्स होगा, you are going to have a number and a matrix, और उनको मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए आप क्या करोगे कि इस नंबर को पिक करके ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स, ठीक है, हर एलिमेंट के साथ आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे एंड दैट्स इट. That will be the scalar multiplication of 2 with the matrix, with this matrix. Okay, here we go. 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by negative 3, 2 into negative 3, 2 multiplied by 6. 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into negative 3, you have a negative number and a positive number. We know that when a positive number is multiplied with a negative number, the answer is always a negative number. Okay, two numbers having different sign will always give you a negative product. Okay, 2 into 3, 6, and the answer will be negative because one number is positive and the other is negative, having different signs. 2 into 6, here both the numbers have same sign, so we are going to get a positive number. 2 6 are 12. Here also 2 and 5, they had the same sign, positive, so the answer was a positive number. So this is how we multiply a scalar with a matrix. We just multiply the number with each and every element inside the matrix, and the matrix, this is called the scalar multiplication of the number 2 with this matrix. Okay.